Hello, and today I'm going to teach you concerning using the charts, especially when drawing. So on the left side you will find that there are tools which you can use to draw. If you want to draw a trend line, you can click here. Then you can check for any pattern of a trend, so like from here to here. So you select, you click, then you hold and drag to the next point where you want to place your trend line. So that's how you can do it. Also you can draw a horizontal trend line. You can click here, then draw a trend line from that place to here. This section, when you click, you can display the currency pair you want to view. Let's say Euro USD. Here you can select the time frame. So if you can zoom in or zoom in or out on your laptop by holding the keypad with both of your fingers, then dragging the fingers apart from each other or near each other to zoom in. You can drag the chart to the right side or the left side by clicking at any point. Then you hold on your keypad left or right so that you're able to move the chart. You can also magnify the scaling by going to the scaling, then moving your fingers as you hold them on your keypad up and down, and the candlesticks will become bigger. You can also draw a rectangle from here to here. In future you know what it means when I draw like this. You can change the properties, the color. Let's say the color we want it to be blue. Click blue, and more settings you can make. If you want the border lines to be red, blue. If you want it to be red, the border lines they'll be red, like that. So there are more things you can do. There is a tool called pip calculator. Here it is in tradingview. You select it. You can select where you want to measure. You click, then you hold down, you drag down, then you can see how many pips are they. There are 11, 12. From that region to up to here, there are 11.6 pips. There's another tool which you can able to measure the risk to reward ratio. For example, if you buy at this price, you click here, then you want to buy, you select how many pips you want to risk. Maybe I want to risk, you can see below the digits are moving, 3.1, 3.6, 4, 4.3. That's the risk. Here is the entry level. So, and here is the upward level. So here you see the risk to reward ratio. Here is the amount of pips, a stop loss, and take profit amount of pips 12.5. As you increase the take profit, the risk to reward ratio becomes 3. That means 4.6 times 3 gives you 14.1. So it is a good way to measure levels for you to place your stop loss and also your take profit. This tool can also be of short position. So if you click short position, let's say you want to sell at this point and you want to measure. So on the upside we have the risk, number of pips. If you want to drag, you select and then you drag. I showed you that way. So you select, let's say we want 5 pips, and then if you are selling, you want to measure what level will be your take profit. Assume you have a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, so you'll be checking this point is 3.06. So that will be a short entry with a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Target 15 pips, risk 5 pips. So if somebody wants to enter this point, you click sell, you set the volume or the lot. This is a standard lot. In MetaTrader 5 or MT5 and MT4, it's included. The standard one is included as one lot size. Now you can also write text on your chart by clicking T. Then you click here, then you type comment or something you want to comment on the chart. So there are more things you can do. Maybe you want to indicate a price label. You can also anchor price label, and that's the price at that point. So if you want to check the price at specific points and anchor it, you have it now. So you can also draw more charts if you wish. So I think those are one of the common charts to include. You can also include indicators. You can also include indicator. You can also include indicator like the volume. So, like you can also include indicators like moving averages. I don't like to use indicators, but one can use indicators like MA or moving average. You can highlight it so that you get it. So this is you can double click and set the settings for the moving average. Can do the settings on the moving average. Here are the settings for the moving average. So you can include more indicators. There are other indicators like the MACD. So you can search MACD. So for more indicators, some are paid for. Can you also include them here? And I think as you learn more, you'll get to know more about drawing stuffs here. Like I use the Fibonacci series. I can draw a Fibonacci series from here up to this upward level. My battery is running low, so I have to close this tutorial. Have a good day.